everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and recover Snapchat account without email or password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let's go ahead and access our Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left, settings icon, scroll down to the bottom, and let's log out. Right, we have logged out. Now if you want to simply use other account and simply want to sign in but we do not remember our password, we're going to tap on this option of forgot your password. Now we only have two options, via email or via your phone. We don't have email, so we're going to go back, tap on via phone. Now enter your particular phone number and now tap on continue. You will get a code on that phone number of yours. Go ahead, paste the code, and then it will let you re-enter your new password. Go ahead, type in the new password, re-enter it. Once you have confirmed it, you will be able to change the password of your Snapchat. And now you're going to go back to the login screen, add in your username and your password of your Snapchat account, and you will be able to simply sign in like that and create a new password as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.